In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit DNS settings on a Wix website in 2025. Whether you're looking to optimize your site's performance or integrate with third-party services, understanding how to manage DNS records is a vital skill. So let's dive right in and get started. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Wix website. Once there, log into your account to access your dashboard. This dashboard is your command center and the place from which you'll manage the essential facets of your website. Once logged in, look towards the main menu and click on Setup. This is where you'll explore the various administrative options available for your site, including the all-important DNS settings. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar and locate the Settings option. Clicking on it will open a detailed panel that provides more granular control over your website's configurations. Within this detailed control panel, find and click on the Domain section. Now this is where all DNS adjustments are made, and while it might initially appear daunting, rest assured it's more straightforward than it looks. If you don't have a domain yet, there's no need to worry. Wix's robust support center offers an array of helpful articles complete with step-by-step instructions on managing DNS records. This resource can be invaluable, especially if you're new to managing domains. Simply navigate to the Wix support section and follow the links for additional guidance and reassurance. Now onto the hands-on portion. In your Wix account, locate and click on Go to Domains. This action will bring up a list featuring all the domains that are linked to your account. Next to each domain listed, you'll notice an icon with 3 dots. This is the Domain Actions menu. Click on this icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Manage DNS Records. In this section, you're now able to make specific changes to your DNS settings, including updating A records, CNAME records, among others. It's important to remember that each adjustment you make will affect how your site connects to the internet. So it's crucial to ensure you're making the correct changes for your needs. Fortunately, Wix also provides example images right within your account to visually guide you through the process. Use these visuals as a helpful reference while you edit your DNS records as needed. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you can successfully edit the DNS settings on your Wix website. Be mindful that changes may take a bit of time to propagate, so patience is key. If any issues arise, don't hesitate to revisit the Wix support articles for further assistance. Happy editing, and here's to smoother connectivity for your website. If you found this helpful, do like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.